Are you ready to explore the exciting world of AI? Let's dive in. Artificial intelligence is evolving rapidly. New trends shape how we use technology. Today, we'll analyze these emerging trends. First, let's talk about prompt engineering. This is a new approach in AI. It improves how machines understand requests. Prompt engineering focuses on better communication. By fine-tuning prompts, we enhance responses. This results in more accurate and relevant information. Next, we explore the integration of AR and VR technologies. Augmented reality and virtual reality are game changers in AI. They create immersive experiences for users. For instance, in education, students can interact with 3D models. This makes learning more engaging and effective. Let's now evaluate advances in natural language processing. NLP allows machines to understand human language. Recent improvements have made chatbots smarter. They provide real-time responses that feel human. This is transforming customer service dramatically. Imagine a scenario where you need assistance. Instead of waiting, you chat with an AI. It understands your issue instantly and helps you solve it. This seamless interaction saves time and enhances satisfaction. In summary, the world of AI is changing fast. Prompt engineering enhances communication with machines. Integrating AR and VR creates immersive experiences. Advances in NLP improve how we interact with technology. So, stay informed about these trends. They will shape our future in extraordinary ways. Want to learn more about AI innovations? Follow us for more insights and updates. In the next video we will discuss about career paths in prompt engineering. Stay connected with us. Thank you.